Hello everybody, today I am very happy to meet you again and especially our visitor that come to like Pedro channel, and thank you for you that watching my video tutorial to create student management system. Yes. Today I want to create the page student list to show for you to show the student from the database. Don't waste time, so you can go to the we go to the Laravel website again, and you can click the results in the view. So in the view you can see the folder student and click the student folder, click new file. Yes, you can write the code like this. Yes, because I don't want to write. Yes, I pass here and then I put name student list dot let dot php. Yes, when we create the like this, you can write like this. Yes, this is the master page that you know already, the section content and end section content. Yeah, I log in to dashboard, press enter, and then you see the student menu, and before we create already create student list, and right now we add the sub menu. We reflect the button input name student list, so you can go to the layout sidebar and click the sidebar .php and find menu student and place here student list and the button.html you can delete. When we create already like this, we want to the student controller http controller, and then click the student controller, go to the down last. Yes, code here you can write command that you want to show the next time. For example, show student info. Yeah, we create function here, public function student info. Yes, return view, and we try to student folder in view, and then we put student list that we create student dot in the student views. Yeah, you can see already. Yeah, student folder and student list, the end comma, and then we copy the function student info and go to the route web.let.php and go to the controller register. Yes, okay, so right here, get student info. Add pass method here. Yeah, you know already. This is the request from the user, but you can import any name by yourself. Yeah, the same like this. You can import any name by yourself, but the add student controller add student info, the master function in the student info. Yes, when we create this, you can copy here and go to sidebar. Yes, in the student menu you can use the curly frag, browse, pass here. Then refresh page. You can go to the student list. Once visa happen, yes, you can see the student list and the menu that you can. And right now we want to create button search. Yes, you can use class panel, bootstrap panel default. Div panel bodies. Step bar, yes. Yeah, we put form search, yes. Method get ID form search. Yes, input here we input type search. Name search class dot form dot control. But we right here we use tab bar or not. Yes, run again. Refresh page. Yeah, you can see the search, but the search is very long. You can use the tab bar, or you can use, yeah, you can use like this. We use tab bar td, and you can copy search here to put here. Run again. Yes, when we show like this, you can the placeholder search by ID or name. Yes, when we write like this, you can create the body here and the body to show the student info. Okay, table class table border. Head. Yes, copy here. Yes, we pass first name, last name, full name, search, DOB show birth date, and again. Yes, so already, but we want to show the action with the then delete action. You can go to the student controller again and request here. Yeah, we use if request has when we use request as a request during has mean that we want to search. If we don't search if and then yes you can we can search the button in the form here. You can copy here and paste. Yes, okay, can copy here in the last code, and you can use the student variable student and where. Yeah, where we want to the search ID, student ID, you can as a request search. You can copy here, yeah, or where. Yes, first name, or last name. Select student ID. Yes, we use the DB row. Yes, you don't forget to use to import the use DB row facet. Yes, okay, DB row student ID. First name, last name, concept. Because we want to combine string with the first name and last name. First name, last name, and then as full name, and we use case to condition search. Case when search equals 0, then a female as search, and then the be yes, array mean that when you don't search and return function this. Oh, copy student. Yeah, you can copy here. but we don't want we don't use. Okay, we use method paginate Laravel 10 records one times like this, and pass variable object here student, and then the copy variable here go to the student again, and use tag tbody add for each, or you can use for air. Yes, for air mean that when there is no record, reply empty. uh, Copy here, flush, okay, copy here, dot first name, doctrine, last name, set full name. DOB, we add the action indeed or delete. Yes, we run code. The first name, last name as full name. Construct, check code again. Oh, it's and forget. And yes, you can add and cache, save and run again. Yes, so we successful. But the record many is record. For example, you can put here. Okay. Yes, many record. But when we use the pagination, so the tail record from the database per time or one time. Yes. So we use the pagination. Go to the student list, and the below panel we use class filter, yeah, random here, student object, render. Okay, save and run again. Yes, but we want to search. For example, I input as, yes, there is no light, there is no result, so we use the light search. Please wait a bit. Oh, my typing. Okay, so I use the person with the like search and then use point input person that you can copy here. Okay, this adds person and save and run again. Yes, so for example, what's First I go to the student again. What's happened? Oh, see, not found. Yes, when we search like this, we can take the pagination to bus reload again from the database or record, but I don't show like this pagination because we want to show the value that we search already and then to use the pagination too, but not allow reload or record from the database. You can go to the code student controller again, and the pagination you can use the append code, append method. Yes, append search request. Yes, and yes, request search. Okay, and we run again. Yes, when we take the pagination to the record is not reload or over again from the database or the records. Yes, for example, I search again. Yes, two. Yeah, I check. Okay, so you can go to the student again. Yeah, the three pagination when we search letter S, so the letter S so from the by the pagination, so with the letter S. Yes. Oh, sorry. What's it? Yeah. So I want to show the value when I search in the box here. Yeah, in the text box search. So you can go into the student list and you can put value here. Yes, request the search name. Yes, search name. You can copy here. Okay, so when I take the pagination one and the values as letter, so here. Yes, so in the box search, so you can usually, yes. Oh, right. Test again. Yes, this is the value reply base. So you can take the student there again. There is no letter and enter again. Yes, the letter S so off from the band tick. Yes, keep here. Okay, say goodbye that I create student list saying for all the people that watching my video to create student management system with the student list. And the next time I meet you again with the edit and delete the student from the database. Okay, don't forget to share, like and subscribe my video. Saying goodbye.